Hello everyone, I am Rashni Meena, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government College रावतवटा। आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ट्यूटोरियल में स्वागत करती हूँ। हम रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे थे। His political views of Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore opposed imperialism and supported Indian nationalists, and these views were first revealed in Manast, which was mostly composed in his 20s. Evidence produced during the Hindu-German conspiracy trial and later accounts affirm his awareness of the Gadharites and stated that he sought the support of Japanese Prime Minister Teiichi Masateck and former Premier Okuma Shigebu. Yet he lampooned the Swadeshi movement. He rebuked it in The Cult of the Charkha, an acrid 1925 essay. He urged the masses to avoid victimology and instead seeking help, self-help and education. And he saw the presence of British administration as a political symptom of our social disease. He maintained that even for those to the extremes of poverty, there can be no question of blind revolution. Preferable to it was a steady and purposeful education. Two of Tagore's most politically charged compositions, Chitto Jetha Babishunu, where the mind is without the fear, it means, and Ekla Chalore, it means, if they answer not to thy call, walk alone, gained mass appeal with the latter favored by Gandhi. Though somewhat critical of Gandhi's activism, Tagore was key in resolving a Gandhi Ambedkar dispute involving separate electorates for untouchables, thereby mooting at least one of Gandhi's fast unto death. Repudiation of knighthood. Tagore renounced his knighthood in response to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919. In the repudiation letter to the Viceroy, Lord Chelmsford, he wrote, "The time has come when wages of honor make a shame glaring in the incongruous contest of humiliation, and I for my part wish to stand sure of all special distinctions by the side of those of my countrymen who, for their so-called insignificance, are liable to suffer degradation not fit for human beings." Tagore despised rote classroom schooling. In the parrots training, a word is caged and force-fed textbook pages to death. Tagore's theft of Nobel Prize. On 25th March 2004, Tagore's Nobel Prize was stolen from the safety vault of the Vishwa Bharati University along with several others of his belongings. On 7 December 2004, the Swedish Academy decided to present two replicas of Tagore's Nobel Prize, one made of gold and the other made of bronze, to the Vishwa Bharati University. It inspired the fictional film novel Chor. In 2016, a baul singer named Pradeep Pori, accused of sheltering the thieves, was arrested and the prize was returned. Impact and legacy. Every year, many events pay tribute to Tagore. Kabhi Pranam, his birth anniversary, is celebrated by groups scattered across the globe. The annual Tagore Festival held in Urbana, Illinois, Ravindra Path Parikrama, walking pilgrimage from Kolkata to Shanti Niketan, and recitals of his poetry which are held on important anniversaries. Bengali culture is fraught with its legacy from language and art to history and politics. Amartya Sen deemed Tagore a towering figure, a deeply relevant and many-sided contemporary thinker. Tagore's Bengali original, the 1939 Ravindra Rashnavali, is canonized as one of his nation's greatest cultural treasures, and he was roped into a reasonably humble role. The greatest poet India has produced. Museums. There are 8 Tagore museums, 3 in India and 5 in Bangladesh. Ravindra Bharati Museum at Jora, Sanko, Thakur Bari, Kolkata, India. Tagore Memorial Museum at Shalda, Kuthiwadi, Shalda, Bangladesh. Ravindra Memorial Museum at Shahjadpur, Kachiwari, Shahjadpur, Bangladesh. Ravindra Bhavan Museum in Shantiniketan, India. Ravindra Museum in Mungpu near Kalimpong, India. Patisar Ravindra Kachari Patisar Atrai, Nowgon, Bangladesh. Pithawoge Ravindra Memorial Complex, Pithawoge, Rupsa, Khulna, Bangladesh. Ravindra Complex, Dikkinidhi Village, Fultala, Upjila, Khulna, Bangladesh. List of universities. University building named after him. Ravindra Bharati University, Kolkata, India. Ravindra University, Shahjadpur, Sriganj, Bangladesh. Ravindra Tagore University, Hojai, Assam, India. Ravindra Maitri University, Katpura, Kustia, Bangladesh. Vishwa Kavi Ravindra Tagore Hall, Jahangirnagar, University, Bangladesh. Ravindra Nazrul Art Building, Art Faculty, Islamic University, Bangladesh. Ravindra Library, Assam University, India. Ravindra Sri John Kala University, Keraiganj, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Ravindra Thakur Malviya Mahavidyalaya, Tripura, India. Thank you for watching this video.